Hi everyone, welcome to Bioinformatics. This is the very first video in our brand new series on basics of R with computational biology. In this series, we'll explore step by step how to use R for genomics and bioinformatics, starting with the basics of genomic data handling and gradually moving towards more advanced applications. In today's video, we'll begin by getting familiar with the Google Classroom interface where all our course materials are organized. You'll see how to access assignments, discussions, and supporting resources. We'll also take a quick look at our scripts uploaded on my GitHub repository, which are tailored to match the ebook Computational Genomics with R by Altuna Akalin. And for your convenience, I've provided links to all my Google Classrooms, the GitHub repository for the scripts, and the link to freely available PDF of the book. All in the description box below. Make sure to check them out before you start coding along. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your materials and how to stay connected with our learning journey. So when you click on the link that I've given you for the Google Classroom, you'll enter into this page that is Computational Genomics with R. Yeah, so this is the whole screen that you'll see. So right now, in this video, you can see there's only one single material posted, which has the title Multibiomics posted a new material, welcome to Genomics, Computational Genomics with R. But as we proceed further in this course, you'll see many more such announcements and posts. So what you have to do is just click on such posts and you'll be guided through what you have to do. So this first post is giving you just the introduction, and I have provided you some link here. If you click here, okay, you'll be landing on my GitHub repository, and here you will see the code, right? So this is the code that we are going to follow for our next video tutorial. This is the R code. Here we'll be focusing on setting up our environment. We'll install some required packages if you don't have them. Okay, and we will then move on to reading and writing basic tables, where we'll go through some basics of what are these different types of data. When it comes to tables, what are the vectors and what are data frames? All that we'll be learning in our next video. Okay, and how to read those tables and how to create some toy data, that also we'll be going through. And after doing this, after you have generated your own data, you have read the table in R, we'll also go and okay, let me just expand it. So we'll also try to save a copy on your system, so that is writing to disk, and then we will again read it back from our own computer, right? And then we will see some commands. So here this data.table and readr for reading huge huge data set, large data frames. And here these are these commands are fast enough to read a huge amount of data sets. So some we'll be loading these libraries, and then we will see how we are going to proceed. Then I've also given you some exercise, which I will be demonstrating how to go on with it. And then we will also at last we'll see how to save our work. And then after saving, if you want to return back to that work again, how to load that R object or those data that you have worked with. Okay, and then we will do some other exercises. I'll give you some homework for you to try on. So I hope this is clear for you, right? So this is it for today's video, and let's hope we'll have a good journey in this module. Thank you. Have a nice day.